How to change birthday on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change birthday on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your birthday on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application here. Once you launch your Facebook app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, and then they'll find a gear icon that you can find here, so make sure to tap on it. Once you tap the gear icon located from the top right, over there you'll be able to see Meta Account Center, so make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on it, you should be able to see these options where you need to go to the option called Personal Details and then tap on it. Under Personal Details, you'll be able to find your date of birth, so tap on it. In order to change the age, just go ahead and select your Facebook account here and then just make sure to change the date of birth, and your age will also get successfully changed. This way you can change the age on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.